Congratulations are in order now that people can confirm that Outlander actress Caitriona Balfe is engaged to boyfriend Tony McGill. The actress debuted her beautiful ring at the Golden Globes, where she was nominated for Best Performance by an Actress in a Television Series Drama. Balfe and McGill were dating for 2 years before he popped the question with a stunning round diamond set between two sapphire studs over the holiday season. She tells people that she's, quote, very happy, and though she didn't win the Globe, she's walking away with a pretty prize of her own. Caitriona also showed up to the red carpet in black to show solidarity and support for the Time's Up initiative. Well, to donate to the Time's Up Legal Defense Fund, which will provide subsidized legal support to women and men in all industries who've experienced sexual harassment, assault, or abuse in the workplace, visit its GoFundMe page.